Nananatiling tiwala ang foreign investor sa matatag na kalakalan sa bansa. Patunay dito, isang multinational company ang tiyak na makapagdala ng 1 billion foreign direct investments sa bansa ngayong taon. Alamin natin ang detalye sa report ni George Bandola.
Panibagong 1 billion peso foreign direct investment ang tinanggap ng Pilipinas mula sa Germany, sabi ni Dr. Frank, CEO ng kumpanyang DHL. Mula sa 3,000 empleyado sa Pilipinas, magdadagdag ito ng hanggang 1,600 pang empleyado. Maganda raw kasi ang nakikitang pamamahala at business climate sa Pilipinas.
And therefore I'm quite encouraged that the Philippines have taken some of these actions already in the right direction. You are more open for foreign investment than some other Asian countries, which is good. And you can still continue to work to open your borders more. You have, of course, infrastructure challenges, but you're thinking about private-public partnership. I think you are working as well on reforms to upgrade your education system.
Logistic and supply chain management ang negosyo ng DHL. Present ito sa 220 na bansa. Pero pangako ni Dr. Apple, hindi lang puro negosyo ang gagawin ng DHL. Tutulong din ito sa pagpapalaganap ng edukasyon sa bansa, bahagi ng kanilang corporate social responsibility.
We see corporate responsibility as an integrated part of the business strategy.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.